What if you could assemble a bridge before it's built? Traditional pre-assembly inspections are often time-consuming, labor-intensive, and difficult to reproduce. With OmniSLAM R8 Plus, 3 segments were scanned in 12, 16, and 12 minutes respectively in the factory, for a total scanning time of 40 minutes. Stable millimeter-level relative accuracy for large-scale component inspection. Four bridge piers were scanned on-site in 30 minutes, reality captured from both ends. Virtual assembly test before the actual installation begins. A seamless 124 meters bridge was digitally pre-assembled.